Hello and welcome to the channel. Do you have all solar lights? If you do, stay tuned. I pulled these really old solar lights out of the garden and decided to see if they could get fixed. And what I'm finding is I can give them a new life. Now, these particular solar lights are actually bug zapping lights. And if you have these type of lights in your garden, be very careful because you can accidentally zap yourself. First, what you need to do is find out if you have the correct size screwdriver. Once you do that, you look at your solar light and see how many screws you need to remove. Remove those screws and place them in a place where you're not going to lose sight of them. And then gently open up your solar light and see if you have a battery in there. If you have a battery, that battery can be replaced. Instead of throwing away your old solar lights, give them a new life and place a new battery inside. So here you see I've opened up this solar light and I'm trying to gently pull out this battery. I'm going to perform this very same process on each and every one of my solar lights. Now just be mindful, if you're going to open up your solar light, there may be some rust, there may be some spider webs, there may even be some bugs. Be mindful of that, but don't be afraid. Open it up, dust it off, clean it to the best of your ability, place a new battery inside, and voila, you now have a workable solar light. Now, once you see your solar light works, again, don't touch it. Like I said, this one is a zapper and it got me. Once you see your solar light works, then you put it all back together, making sure that all of the screws line up and it's closed the way it was before you got into it. Lining up your screws may take you a once or twice try, but that's okay. Get your screws lined up, that way it doesn't fall apart when you put it in the garden. When you put your screws back inside of your solar light, try to make sure that you don't strip them, because if you do, the next go round when you need to change that battery, you won't be able to get back into it. Now it's time to place them outside. Now it's bright outside so you can't see them, but they are all working and they all do come on at night. I want to thank you for joining me on this DIY in the garden today. If you have some solar lights that aren't working, see if you can add a new life to them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, share the video, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.